Hey, welcome to another odd selling product recommendation, and this particular edition is the summer edition. All right, so let's get started. Now, the first product on my list is this portable and foldable wireless keyboard. Basically, it is a keyboard that you can use with your smartphone, either iPhone, Android, Samsung, or with your tablet. So if you are someone that loves working with your laptop, I actually love working with my laptop. But then, it is summertime, you are always outdoor at the coffee shop, you are working outside, then you would love this. And again, I said this is summer edition. And during summer, what happens? People travel a lot. This is an amazing product to sell. Let me just play a video to see how it actually works. Okay, yeah, so I love this part where it is demonstrated. Can you see? So this will appeal to people that love working with their laptop, but then because it is summertime, they travel a lot, they might not be able to always work with their laptop. Okay, so the second product on our list today is the GPS tracker. This is a magnetic and portable tracker. So let me just play this video so you see. Now, looking at caption that we have here, you see it is written, if you ever suspected your BF is cheating on you. Now, this is just like a marketing angle. The product is far more than just that. All right, so let me play another video for you. I'm just trying to let you see what the product can offer. Very portable, something you can see. This is a live demo, right? Let me show you what it can actually do. Now, this particular GPS mini locator is a multifunctional device. Now, the first thing you see here is it can be used for many things. So it has varieties of use cases. So if you have a logistic company, you can use to track your vehicle and all of that. You see fleet supervision, financial leasing, electric motorcycle. If you have a pet, you can also use it for that. Private car, you can see. And the interesting part is, aside the fact that it is compact and portable, it can also record, right? So remote recording. It also has cloud storage, so that makes it even more useful, right? Very, very useful. Okay, so let's move to the next one. Now, just before we continue, I want to share good news with you. So if you have reached out to make inquiries about the e-commerce done for you business package, this is me telling you we are back to taking on new clients, because since the beginning of this year, we haven't really had the reason to talk about it because we have a lineup of clients to serve. But right now we have open slots for new clients. So for those that don't know about the e-commerce done for you package, let me give you a sneak peek into what it is. E-commerce done for you package, just the way it sounds, is our agency helping you set up an e-commerce business from scratch. You don't need to know anything, you don't need to have a brand and all of that. So if you have always struggled with e-commerce business, you haven't really made money with e-commerce, but you want to make your first 7-figure through e-commerce, then this is for you. Pay attention. So here is the thing. First thing we offer is an odd selling product that is exclusive to you. This is very important, because if you have an odd selling product, then every other thing you'll be doing will become very easy. And let me just say this, me recommending just a product to sell to you will cost you 50,000 naira. I will show proofs here, don't worry. 50,000 naira. I just delivered one yesterday, so I'm just giving you an insight. So this is part of the package. Secondly, we also help you source for this product. Let's say in China, source for it, procure and pay for this product. Now, the essence of this is, I have a friend, not an agent per se. She's my friend. She offered this service to me, and we have been working together for over 5 years now. Can you imagine? Over 5 years, she helps me source for product, check it out to be sure, okay, this product works, then help me procure and even make payment on my behalf. I've talked about her on this channel before. All right, so we help you do that, which means we are helping you we are giving you a product and also helping you source for the quality one. Now the third thing here is to help you ship this product from China to Nigeria directly. All of my e-commerce done for you clients, I've helped them do this same thing without any issue. Then the next thing we do after helping you source for products and bring them directly to you in Nigeria, we then set up a full sales funnel. So it's not just a sales page now, but a full sales funnel with all conversions, because it's not just having a website. There is a way you need to set it up. There are some conversion elements that needs to be in place on the website. So this will also be on your own website. And also, this is what many people don't understand. If you complain about delivery rate, it actually starts from your sales funnel. The way it is structured, the way it is designed, the flow, all of these things matter. So if you do it correctly, the right way, then your bottom line, you have high delivery rate. Many people don't know, they just assume customers are not serious. Now the next thing is drive traffic, bring people to come and buy through the sales funnel. So we'll create your ads copy, we'll create the ads creative, both the image and the video. The next thing is you and I will jump on a call to set up your advert using my never fail launch strategy. Just let me say this again. My one-on-one session cost $100. That's about 150,000 naira or so. But then we'll jump on a call, you and I, and we'll set up the advert and launch. And the last thing here on the list is you have access to my private delivery network nationwide. Whichever state you are delivering to, I have agents there that can help you deliver. Why many people complain about their agents, I don't know, but mine are actually very, very good. We have been working, many of them have been working for over 3 years. So they are very, very good. And if you are coming through me, they will also do you well. These are what you'll be getting. The bottom line is it will help you make your first 7-figure in e-commerce business or your next 7-figure. So this is what it actually entails. Now, let me say this is not a course, it is a service. But what makes this very, very different is that you own all of the assets that I'll be using, from your Facebook page to the website and everything inside the website, the funnel, everything. And you also get insider secrets of how we launch new e-commerce business, launch our advert. So all of this asset and knowledge can be reused to launch new set of products. So the interesting part for me of this particular service is we are not just helping you make money now, it's more like empowering you, because everybody that we have done this for, now they can now launch their own product, new product on their own. I have so many clients like that. So if you have always asked me to teach you e-commerce business, you see, e-commerce is very, very vast and wide, but then this is the best way for me to, let me say, teach you, even though it is not a course. So I'm not just helping you make money, I also take you along throughout the process, so you'll be able to make money on your own, even without my own intervention. So these are all the amazing things you'll be getting in the e-commerce done for you business package. And here is the thing, we can only take 2 people every month, 2 people per month. So if you're interested, reach out to me on Instagram. There is no website for this. Reach out to me on Instagram and send a DM with DFY. Reach out to me on Instagram at adelikesamuel01 and send me a DM with the keyword DFY. Then we'll take it up from there. Now the third product on our list is this cervical and lumbar car pillow. Now this is another product that might probably look simple, but then is doing a whole lot of things. So this offers one, comfort, can also be used for posture correction, and lastly, it can help to prevent or avoid back pain, neck pain, and the likes. Now the reason why this will sell, don't forget this is summer edition, right? Now during summer, what happens? People tend to go on even longer road trips, and of course, if you are sitting for a long time, you need something that you can use to cushion what you are sitting on, so as not to have bad posture, to avoid back pain and all of that. Now, again, what happens during summer? Summer is a time where people are always outdoor, and then there is this thing very common during summer time, which is picnic, right? This is the time friends, family, even co-workers come together, they bond together and all of that. If you look at the angle used to sell this product, it is more of a selling experience. Look at smokeless, easy to light, enjoy for days, start making memories for years to come with the fire pit built to last. So here is the thing, during summer, because summer here, it happens like once in a year, so people tend to utilize that period very well. So this is why this is another product to check out, right? Let's see the website. Look at, you can see people, family, friends, couple just gather together, barbecue, grill and all of that. Now, this particular product, I had to bring it to be the last one, considering the fact that it can be used for the previous product that I just showed you. Now look at, this is a Turbo Max Mini Power Blaster. Now this might look like a simple product, but then it also has many use cases. So let me play this video to give you an idea. So not just in summer, it is also useful during winter when it is snowing. You can see you can use it to remove those snow. You can as well use it to remove debris on your keyboard and laptop. You can also use it to inflate and also deflate. You can see, so that's another advantage. You can use it for cleaning as well, and to blow wind for your fire and all of that. So you can see it has so many use cases. And the last one I did not talk about is it can also be used as air dryer. So these are many more stuff is what you can use it for. So look at this, look at this. You can see, so as I've said, it looks very simple, but then it is multifunctional in nature. Now, just before you go, I would advise you check out this tutorial if you have not checked it out, how you can use AI to write the sales copy for your e-commerce product. So if you have watched this and you have probably not practiced, I would advise you do that. Pick one of the products I recommended here and practice with it. And secondly, also how you can use AI to create, set up and launch your Facebook ads campaign to drive traffic and get orders or conversion for your product. Check this other video out as well. Okay guys, so that will be all for now, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.